What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into it, please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Let's get straight into this one. We've got a pair of ONRUNNING sneakers, trainers, whatever you want to call them. The ONRUNNING sneakers, they come in this brown and white box. That's not part of the actual design. That's just what happens when you put a glass of cold drink down twice on the side and use the box like it's a table. It's been a long day editing, or recording. So we've got the on-foot logo, we've got the ONRUNNING logo there, ONRUNNING logo there, and then just like pretty standard brown box. On the label it says Cloudrunner, and that's Eclipse Frost, and it's got the colors just like a grey, like a dark grey, light grey. US 11, Europe 45, UK 10.5, JP, so Japan 29. They're made in Indonesia. Let's get straight into these. We've got ONRUNNING tissue. Bam. Here we go. So this pair of Cloudrunners, slightly different to other pairs. Like they all have Cloud Tech, the ONRUNNING, but they're slightly different. This pair on the bottom has got the Swiss engineering, and then it says Speedboard there. Then we've got black and white mixed, kind of grippy bits if you want to call it that. Then it does say Cloud Tech. And then the upper, we've got this kind of mesh. We've got mesh, and then we've got this like no-sew type of seams around the toe box, around the side. The back, I can never remember the name of this ever. It's kind of like a nylon material, and then we've got this type of mesh as well, but it's quite different to that mesh, as you can see. And on the inside, same thing, mesh, and then the no seam. Same with the laces. So it's got that no seam, which other companies have done before. ONRUNNING does a lot on theirs. And then we've got the tongue, which is all black mesh, but it says on, and then it says Cloudrunner, just in case you ever forgot what the model was. And then we've got the normal standard black laces that come on these pairs. So I really do like these pairs because of the comfort levels. This isn't the most comfy, but then again, I've only worn these for like a minute to try on size, and that's it. Other models like the Cloud Swift I find more comfy, but then again, it is up to you to try on, see what fits you best, which one's more comfortable for you if you're going for comfort. I probably won't ever run in them. I'm not really a runner, but yeah. Let me know what you think about these people. Very different to what you normally see. So the Nike, there's all holes in the midsole. But yeah, let me know what you think. I don't really have too much more to say apart from I like it, but I want to do like a performance review more, or like walking around in them, wearing them for a month or something like that. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. Do you like them, hate them, rate them? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait for the on-foot video that will follow. It will also be posted separately. And most importantly, take care, my people.